OpenThinker, this wild new open-source reasoning model that's shaking things up. What's crazy about it? Everything's open: the model weights, the training code, even the dataset they used. No locked doors here. You can literally download it all, tweak it, or even train your own version. And get this, it's not some massive 70B parameter beast. The 3B version runs locally on something as accessible as an RTX 4090. For a model that size, it's punching way above its weight. So, how'd they pull this off? The team started with a huge pile of 173,000 questions and answers called the Open Thoughts dataset, but only 114,000 of those answers were actually verified as correct. Turns out, cleaning up the noise matters. By focusing on high data and scaling the model size smartly, OpenThinker holds its own against bigger models in math, science, and even some coding tasks. And get this, they did it with 7 times fewer training tokens than models like DeepSeek-R1. Efficiency goals, right? Let's talk real-world tests. They threw everything at Itradels: math problems, word puzzles. The 3B model aced questions like naming a country ending with Leah, Australia, capital Canberra, or solving a tricky percentage problem. It even nailed a Latin origin adjective puzzle that stumps most smaller models. But coding, not so much. Both the 7B and 3B spat out messy, unformatted code, which is a bummer. Still, for a proof of concept, it's impressive. The big win here isn't perfection, it's showing how open data and careful verification can push what's possible without needing gigantic models. The best part? This isn't just a model, it's a blueprint. The open dataset means anyone can build on it, train better versions, or mix it with newer base models like Llama 3. Imagine what happens when the community gets their hands on this. For now, the 3B is the star grade for logic puzzles, math, and general reasoning. The 7B, it's okay, but feels a bit dated next to newer small models. Still, the fact that you can run this locally, tweak it, or even improve it yourself, that's the real magic. In a world where most AI feels locked behind APIs and paywalls, OpenThinker is a breath of fresh air. It's not flawless, but it's a bold step toward open, community-driven AI. If you're into tinkering or just love seeing what's possible with smart data and smaller models, this one's worth a look.